Tuesday, August 15th, 5:19 p.m. New York time. U.S. stock market and futures markets are closed now. This video will cover gold, broad market of gold. There's a gold spot index, which is here on the right, the gold futures, and then there's gold mining stocks. We're going to compare the difference, and we're going to look for trade ideas. So these two charts, these two grids, each represent 1 year, 1 year. Each candle represents 1 week. So since we're only in Tuesday, the current candle to the far right in each grid is not done yet. Nope. First here, looking at the gold futures, the futures market, which you could trade from 6 p.m. at night all the way through 5 p.m. the next day. You could trade the futures contract, the options. It also has a micro position if you can't afford the margin on the big position. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. We are trending down from the high of the year. So that's bearish. The high of the year, that was a trend down. This was the retracement that failed to retest and take out the high. So reversed and continue on this pattern now down. This higher time frame is very important because you're looking at the bigger picture first looking at the daily. Yep. So again, we already took out the low of last week, making a lower high, lower low. Again, bearish, buyers gold. This low is a swing low. That's the price level right there. Low of 1906. The same swing low you can see on multiple time frames. But again, we're looking here on the weekly. There you go. Swing low. Oops. I labeled the wrong one. Let's try again. Struggle's real. Swing low. Weekly. If we break this low and close below this low on this downward trend, one would expect it's going to be going to the next swing point. That's here. Yep, that's low this year. But this big candle was very bullish. Big bullish candle. Solid body, no wicks top or bottom. When that occurs on the upside, being the green candle, that's extremely bullish. And they often get retested from midpoint to lower. Well, it's on target right now still to do the low. And time will tell if we're going to actually retest this low. Big body low, right? 1,875.70. That's a low. So again, these are some places on the downside. I'm looking for it to potentially have a pause and reverse. So there certainly are trade ideas, trading short right now, trading bearish, and you can do that with many financial instruments, as long as your account's approved to trade short, or else you're going to have to buy the inverse stock ETFs. Now, that was the gold futures, the physical gold, spot gold. Gold mining stocks. This is a stock index, stock ETF, GDX, Golf Delta X-Ray. It's a gold mining stock ETF. Yep. See that it says gold mining stock ETF? Well, there's different kind of mining stocks. There's big companies and small companies. The big difference is the value. So this represents a bunch of, not just one, not two, but several big gold mining stocks. And then there's also a smaller gold mining stock ETF. We'll get to that one in a minute, which is called the juniors. But the point is, spot gold, the physical gold, and gold mining stocks. Well, the difference on one of these is one has earnings to report, quarterly, more accounting, physical employees, labor, different countries they're in. Yeah, there's a lot here on these gold mining stocks because they are companies where this is the commodity, physically, the gold, whatever the current spot price is. So you could trade both. Again, here, looking here, Same thing. Lower highs, lower low. The trend is down. Yep. And this is the low of the year. That's the high of the year. Not much difference, really. Nope. In the overall pattern, they have the high, the low. This trades, again, longer hours, being that this is a stock. This is only from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. But all the gold mining stocks on here we're going to go through, and you're going to see they're not all the same. There are stronger ones. There are weaker ones. The commodities of gold, there's several metals. Again, metal, gold is a commodity. Gold is in the metal category. So the four biggest, broadest, most important gold metal categories: gold, silver, platinum, copper. These are gold futures. You can trade them as stock ETFs. Just briefly looking again, each grid represents 1 year, and each candle represents 1 week. So just like gold is trending down, silver is trending down, platinum is trending down, and copper is trending down. So we see here the whole category of metals are bearish. It's not time to buy necessary bullish yet. But how do we screen to find out the best one? Watching these on this higher time frame, the weekly, they are all in sync and trading bearish. But we're going to compare them again and see if there's a current green candle that's trending higher high, higher low, reverse. So we know the weight of the metal industry is bearish. We're going to be looking for contrarian for the strongest gold mining stocks that are contrarian and are bullish. And that would be likely, logically, the better one, because if the overall metal category is trading bearish and there's individual gold mining stocks trading bullish, they're the leaders of the pack. So let's start looking at those. Now we're looking at the gold mining stocks. We'll go to a top-down alphabetical order. Again, each candle is a week. This grid is 3 years. Stock symbol alpha, alpha uniform. Yeah, it's a penny stock. It's below $1. It's 0.1280. It's a junk stock. And it's trending down. Next one, Alpha Echo Mike, $46.88. So you can see the prices up here on the left, and the stock symbols on the top left. Again, it's bearish, trending down. Just again, we're trying to find ones that are reversal pattern. Alpha Golf trending down, but currently inside candle hasn't taken out the high or low. Yep, and look at this prior candle, green candle. So this I would put on the watch list and see if it closes like this for this week, or if it takes out that high, potential trade idea. We'll simply look at the high here. The high is $6.39. Set alert, $6.40 right there. And just put a little note. View weekly chart. Breakout prior week's high. And when that goes off, I'll get an alert on several devices, my phone, my email, the desktop trading platform. Yep. Go on to the next. Alpha Golf India, same thing. And when you hear me say the phrase, the wording, same thing. It's on the same trend, same similarity as the gold futures and that gold mining stock ETF. But I expect we'll find a few that are reversing. Alpha Uniform, see the same. Wow, look at this. Alpha Uniform Yankee, Yamaha Gold. It's green for the week, higher high, higher low. The trend is up. Look at that. It's below $10 a share. Nice. Pretty nice. I would label that and look further for this one as potential trade idea. Again, Alpha, Uniform, Yankee. Got it? Totally different pattern than the gold. So again, this is strong like bull. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Yep. It's 1 year chart. Nice. Bravo Tango Golf. Also inside candle. But look, it's just shy of the low of the year. But I like that because that bullish pin bar hammer down there. So let's label this. The high is 320. Set alert 321. I'll add my notes later. Here we go, another one. Bravo Victor November. Bravo Victor November. The trend is up. Current candle. Look at that. Inside candle hasn't taken the high or low. There's the high for the year, low for the year. And it's below $10. Trade idea. Watch this on the watch list. Charlie Delta Echo, new low for the year, failure. Okay. That was 9 gold mining stocks we looked at. Let's continue. We already found 2 of them. Very nice.